All right, Ace is acting like a real nerd. Come here, Bubbish. You want to see the inside? Come on. I'm going to show you. And then I'm going to take a shower. Yeah, man. Getting this thing was up, and I left it up in the high wind. Come here, Bubbish. Ace, come on. This is the first time in it, too. Just real quick. Sit down. Who's your good boy? Who's your good boy? It's a little chilly. Come on. Out. Ace. Out. He already knows. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to color code these lines. And I guess I'm going to tear it down in the same manner I would. I'm thinking just these centers. I don't know if anybody has this thing. It's pretty legit. I threw a cigarette somewhere. Don't worry, real hiker trash shit right here. Tape in the cold. It's all good training. What's up, Ace? This is the house, Bubbies. You gonna come out with the tape? Or is it because you don't have thumbs? Ace, you want the tape? It's cold? You cold? He's a good boy. Did we get it? He's gonna be snug as a bug. Check out that jacket. All right, got it. So we're just gonna do a little bit of the tape. There we go. And my daughter and my general helped me figure that out. And then the same tape goes on the pole. Even though once you see it all put together, like you get it. But I'm not messing around in the rain and the cold. And this is just a real quick hack. What's up, Ace? Yeah, I told you it's not that cold, Bobbish. You got your coat. You want to start a fire? You want to start a fire? I was talking to my one daughter just a minute ago. She said she wanted to be part of the video, but it's cold. And I was talking to her about when I took her to the mountains, how asleep she was. I was in the old school REI, had a little REI trail made or whatever. What it is, she said, me and the dog together, she not going because there's going to be way too much snoring. And baby girl, you ain't wrong. All right, so I just color coded both those. And then we're just going to do it down here. And then I think she's just solid. Are all my guys still out? This one popped. What popped? Did my knot pop? Oh, wow. Okay. So we already had some winds that were so strong that snapped my snap ring. I guess we got to get used to that. I'm not gonna take too many extra. It was blowing like crazy though. Everything else held up. The center guy ones, I know those ones are sturdy. I've had heavy bear hangs, and those were my initial tarp setup. I gotta go white light. All right, we did yellow, and now we're gonna do white for these. It's a little color code, and this almost makes me want to take like a whole roll of this tape. But that's unnecessary, right? Wow. I can't believe that thing snapped that line. Sorry, knocking shit over. As soon as I'm done this shit, we're tearing it down. If there's one thing, I wish I had some dang glow in the dark. Some glow in the dark tape. Really hardcore, like type Ranger shit. We used to call it, yeah, luminescent tape. You can buy it in a whole roll. So hacks, man. That's honestly what draws me to backpacking. Sorry, and if you see some spanks hanging on my ass, it's because I did a hardcore bike workout with the queen. Ace, what you doing? What you doing over there? All right, so let's tear it down. Yeah, it had a great amount of tension. Grabbing all my steaks first. We pop the guy line off, 2 steaks on the guy line. So that can just go in the steak and cordage bag. I can't believe it snapped the D-ring though. That's why you test your shit. This one's still solid though. I guess that's one of those things, man. Lightweight equipment, lightweight mindset. What happened to this bad boy? Okay, it's still anchored. Could have did that better. Let's get our count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I guess you just pop her down. Ace. Oh God. And that's it. Sorry I was silent. I was getting a little aggressive again. That's it. She's gonna go right in the pack. Lovely. Fucking cheers. And there's my old army tarp. Whew.